Hi, this is Chris with a quickie video about pairing your JBL subwoofer to your JBL bar. I just recently got a 9.1 bar and could not pair the subwoofer to it. Tried for hours and hours, searched everything I could find on Google to no avail, and finally saw a video that gave me what may be the clue. You'll have to try this for yourself to see if it's true for you. The remote that came with the bar from the eBay seller was this one, which is just a generic. Amazon has lots of them. And I kept using that because I assumed that that was the one that would work. But the video that I saw was in fact using this remote, which I realized, hey, I've got that because I've got a JBL Bar 300. So I grabbed the remote for that, and immediately I was able to pair the subwoofer, and immediately I was able to calibrate the soundbar. Everything worked perfectly, except of course this remote is only good for a 5.1 or I'm sorry, a 5.0 system. It doesn't, yeah, it does have bass on it, so a 5.1 system. But it wouldn't handle all the stuff on my 9.1. So, oh, I did get a another generic from Amazon that looked kind of like this, but same thing. It didn't allow me to do the pairing and the calibrate on it. So I forked over $43 from Amazon and got this thing because it looks exactly like the picture of the remote in my JBL manual for the 9.1. I don't think it's genuine JBL per se, but it looks identical. Came from China in this little plastic bag. This particular one is mint, although I've heard of people getting, seeming to get used ones, so they may be actual JBL. But in any case, I am now finally able to adjust the rear speakers. So it may be that your key to getting pairing your subwoofer is simply trying it with a quote-unquote real JBL remote. Try that. Hope it helps. Take care. Bye-bye.